Hey everyone, check out the FYEQW Portable Handheld Vacuum, a cordless car cleaner with powerful suction. It features a brushless motor delivering 17,000 PA for deep cleaning in your car or home. The built-in 4000 mAh battery offers up to 40 minutes of continuous use after just 3 to 4 hours of charging. This vacuum comes with a HEPA filter that captures fine dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner environment. Its 3-in-1 design includes an accessory kit for versatile cleaning on all floor types. The USB charging cable lets you recharge conveniently anywhere, even inside your vehicle. Lightweight and easy to handle, this vacuum makes quick cleanup effortless and efficient. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.